I may skip this part. It's noisy with the stick blending. 1, 2. Look at that. Set up really nice. 1, 2. Side to side thing. Side. This is all we're gonna get. This is all we're getting. And I'll make some little fish shells, embeds to go on top. This is not finished yet. Oops. It's been in here for about a week. There we go. 1.5. Cuts nicely. Cuts nicely. Okay. Alright, we have seaweed. That is a melton core. I kind of wanted a mosaic. Oh, right. That's pretty. That is real pretty. Seashells on top. This is for my March base. Look at that. Oceany. Nice. I may sell it as a pair. One with the fishes, one with the kind of cute. Nice. I hope everybody likes it. What do you guys think? Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Oh, that's sweet. That's very nice. This is Blue Abyss, the March birthday soap fragrance oil from